Hey everybody, I've got something absolutely mind-blowing here. This user turned an investment of $452 into $926,700. Isn't that unbelievable? I want to take a look at this real quick. But first of all, an easy way you can support this program is if you like this video and subscribe to this channel. All right, let's just dive right into this. So we have Anano-Mon. I'm just going to call him Anano-Mon. So literally $452. He invested that this summer into, surprise, surprise, Tesla. And he is up, as of right now, $926,000. Now, I just wanted to see what else this guy had to say. And if you go to his thread on Wall Street Bets, you'll see that he has plenty to say. Lots of comments on the thread, which is always great because it's great to see this kind of gain. This is the kind of thing that you can do. It just takes some research. It takes understanding the numbers of options, and it takes understanding whether an option is overpriced or not. In this case, Tesla just happened to be, in the summer, way underpriced. And a lot of people saw that. And as of right now, unfortunately, I think Tesla is way overpriced. But there are options that are available that are at a great value. You've just got to understand your Greeks. But that is a talk for another time. Now let's see what Anano-Mon has to say. So first comment here. You turned $500 into $1 million in 1 year. Whenever you decide to fully cash out, please don't put it into options. You've made a life-changing amount of money. And Anano-Mon's response, dude, unbelievable. This is just one tranche of what I bought last summer. I'm up over 5 million. And then he clicks, he shows a link to Imgur here. And here is his portfolio. And it's going to be fun getting that out. Robinhood will only allow it to be removed $50,000 a day. But anyway, up 5,577,000 all time. That's awesome, guys. And you know, he got lucky, but there are ways to do this. And there were definitely times when maybe, I'm sure he was thinking, maybe I should be cashing out here, especially the last couple months. I mean, September and October were pretty stagnant months for Tesla. And he could have easily sold those months, but he held on because he believed in the fundamentals of this stock, which is always a great thing to see. So, all right, let's see what else he has to say. If I'm reading that correct, you bought $452, and he says yes. And then let's see some more. How did you not sell when Tesla tanked down to $300? I bought more, a lot more. Talk about those diamond hands, man. I love to see that. He knew. And what does that take? It takes research. It takes understanding. It takes knowing the game, so that you're not stuck with these options that are way overpriced that everyone's buying into, like Tesla today. I mean, weeklies, guys, weeklies at the money are $2,000. It costs you $2,000 to get in the game. No, that is way too expensive. Now, what he did, I looked at some other comments, he bought pretty far out of the money, and it worked out for him. And if that's the way you choose to go, so be it. I've seen plenty of people give advice to buy out-of-the-money calls that are several months out in advance, maybe even a year in advance. And they know what they're talking about, and that's what this guy did right here, Anano-Mon. So last thing that he says before we get going here. He says, read everything N.N. Taleb has ever written. And I would like to forward that advice to you. That guy's the man. Read anything he's ever written. And I'm not guaranteeing anything, but you'll be in a much better position with your options. All right, that'll do it for the Stonk Report. But I do have one other thing I would like to share. Before we go, I have an offer for you. Let's talk. I have 15 years of investment experience, 10 years as a business owner running 2 businesses that generate over $1 million in total revenue. I have experience as a licensed realtor and mortgage agent, all while being in a single income household with my beautiful wife and our 5 children. And I even have experience as a licensed personal trainer. a long time ago. Whatever you want to talk about, investing, starting a business, buying a house, making a workout plan, let's talk. Drop a comment if you're interested.